1, 2, 3, prova, scallop crudo, crudo, scallop crudo. Signori e signori, it's 2020, and to be cool, you need to know how to play drums and how to make scallop crudo. In Italia, crudo means raw. Scallop crudo is like a ceviche with less shit on it. Shh. The secret ingredients are olive oil, lemon, pink pepper and salt. Olive oil, pink pepper, salt and lemon. Salt, pink pepper, olive oil and lemon. My friend Nicholas Coleman is an olive oil expert. My friend Nicholas Coleman just gave me this fantastic bottle that contains the best olive oil in the world. And there are very few bottles in the world. So I don't know much about olive oil, but what I know is that this is fucking good. Let's slice the scallops. Horizontal. Place the scallops in a bowl. Add olive oil and lemon juice. Gently mix with your hands or feet. Now let's plate the scallops. Olive oil! Oh yeah, baby! Pink pepper and Maldon Salt. Vamos, vamos, vamos! Vamos! The zest of an organic lemon. I can smell Italia. Wow, look at this, look at this. If you want to impress someone, don't wear pants and add strawberries. Scallop crudo.